Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about video editing online. In today's video, I will show you how to edit your video online for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your browser and then come to your address bar right here, and then go ahead and visit this particular website right here, and then go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard, and it's going to take you right here. So there are a lot of things you can do with your video. You can edit video editor, add subtitle, compress, resize, cut, names, crop, merge, or speed. You can click on all tools right here. This will allow you to see all different things you can do with your video right here. So next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you choose your template and then upload your video file, just like so. Like for instance, we want to go ahead and explore the video editing tab right here. So we want to make sure we click on video editor right here. So click on the template and then create your own video and edit it in any way on both your phone and computer. So you can see you can use this on PC and at the same time you can use it on phone. You can do different things with your video online with this particular tool right here. So next thing we want to do right here is go ahead and click on get started. So here we go. You just need to make sure you drag and drop your video file or upload the media file, just like so. So you can get your video file from Google Drive, Dropbox, and also you can record a live voiceover, and at the same time you can use their text-to-speech options to generate some voice right here. So you can click on media right here or click on this plus sign right here. You can add text to video, you can add audio, you can upload video images. You can also add some elements like shapes to the video. You can also record and then you can text to speech. All the summaries right here have been analyzed from the sidebar right here. So for you to start editing your video, go ahead and click on upload. Click to upload right here. Then you want to make sure you navigate to where you have your video file. So go ahead and select your video file. So just like so, I'm going to go ahead and select a video file right here. I'm going to select this particular video file. I will click on open. Just like so, I have my video upload right here. So I can play the video, click on the playhead and play the video just like what you see right here. So I can do different sort of things with this particular video right here. So let's say for instance, I want to cut some parts from the video right here. You can see the video is still long in the timeline. We can zoom in or zoom out as the case may be. This is zoom in and this is zoom out right here. So if you want to cut some part from the video, select on the video in the timeline so you can easily cut from the beginning, or better still, you can move your playhead to somewhere and then select on the video. For you to split, click on here to split and select the one you want to delete. Click on this delete trash bin right here. Then select the video in the timeline and drag, and then make sure you drag it to where you want it to be. Just like so. Now you can also crop your video as the case may be. For that, go ahead and click on crop to right here. Then from the top right here, you can drag and crop the area you want to crop off from your video. Once you are satisfied, go ahead and click on this check mark right here. Now it has been successfully cropped. So let's play the video again. So you can do all sort of things with your video online for free without any stress. So once you are done with everything you want to edit from your video, go ahead and click on the export tab right here. So you can export in different resolution like standard quality and standard HD. So if you want to export in higher resolution, you have to upgrade to the Pro package. So as for me, you can export as standard quality as the case may be. Go ahead and click on continue and your video will be exported successfully. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use this tool to edit your video online for free, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.